All right, guys. So the next step is going to serve three different purposes here. Number one, we're going to secure our domain name to make sure that we get it and not somebody else. Number two, once we have that domain name, we're going to get email hosting. And the reason for this is so that we can have an email address, which is our first name at ourbusinessname.com. We don't want at gmail.com. We don't want at yahoo.com, at AOL.com, hotmail.com. We want our name at ourbusinessname.com because that's how a professional business's email address system is set up. So we're going to get our domain name, we're going to get our email hosting set up, and then we're going to get a coming soon page. This is also known as a lead magnet page. And what this is going to do is we're going to have a website. It's just a landing page, but for all of our potential clients to start landing on and signing up at, so that we can notify them when we do actually go into business. And what this is going to do is going to make sure when we officially get our business license and start our business on day one, we're already going to have a small list of clients who have signed up and said, please notify me whenever you actually open your business and you're ready to get going. So I've done all the research here, and as far as I can tell, Wix is the absolute best with AI website generation. Now, if you're a website designer, you may want to use whatever platform you like. But if you're not a web designer and you want something simple that's going to take care of all of this for you, utilizing an AI for most of it, I highly suggest Wix. And the way we're going to get to this, if you don't mind, is going to be to come over here into any of my videos and then come down here and open up the description, and you'll find that I have a link for Wix right here. So go ahead and click on that link and open up Wix. All right, so it wants an email address. We'll go ahead and give them one. And start now. Sign up. Sign up. All right, let's get started. Who are you creating a website for? For myself, my business, or a friend? Continue. Now, here's what it's going to want to do, and this is what I like about this, is it's going to chat with you because its AI is going to build your website for you. So let's go ahead and start the chat. Please tell me what your website is all about. Okay, so I said I'm creating a website for my tattoo business called 𝗬𝗢𝗪 Studios. Right now, what I want is a landing page or a coming soon page to act as a lead magnet while I'm building out the rest of the business. And for you, you're just going to say handyman page or electrician or plumber page. All right, what specific details do you want to include on your coming soon page? I said, let's just give the impression that we're an upscale, sophisticated tattoo parlor catering to a more mature clientele with strict taste. And for you, you're going to say whatever it is you'd like to say about your handyman business. All right, who's your primary target audience for the tattoo services, age group, interests, or lifestyle? Wealthy, sophisticated, older clientele, primarily female. Understood. Do you have any specific branding or design elements in mind that you would like to incorporate in your coming soon page to cater to your target audience? I do have my logo and some branding guidelines already. Good to hear. Could you tell me a bit about your unique selling point that sets 𝗬𝗪 Studio apart from other tattoo parlors? All right, we offer a less intimidating experience with private rooms and concierge service. Impressive. How long have you been in the tattoo business? No answer. All right, you're all set. Next, let's go do your personalized dashboard where you'll find tailor-made setup steps to get online faster, the best template selection to fit your needs, customized text and images generated just for your site. Go to dashboard. Now, something I will tell you is I already have the branding. I'm going to be sending you guys to smashinglogo.com to do yours. That's where I did mine for my handyman business and for the Bulletproof Handyman. And my wife has already done hers for 𝗬𝗪 Studios as well. So you'll get to see some of that I bring in. But if you want to at this point, you can go over to smashinglogo.com, and there is a link for that in the description. So you can go over there and get that done right now if you want to put it on your website, or you can just get this kind of set up so you can move on to the next steps. All right, so here we are at the dashboard, and what we want to do is we want to search for 𝗬𝗪studios.com. We don't want .biz, .edu, .gov, any of the other dots. We want a good old-fashioned .com. Hopefully that's what you checked for earlier. So we're going to just go ahead and type in here, ET. Let's go. And it is available. So at this point, now that we know that this is available, and you may have found this and done this earlier, but you want to make it yours right away. So go ahead and click that Make It Yours button. get a domain for free with a premium plan, or buy domain only. I'm going to go ahead and save the money and get the domain for free with the premium plan. Continue. And then we get to pick between light, core, business, and elite. We can upgrade these later, so I'm just going to go with the light package for now. So go ahead and select that. Billing cycles for the light plan, so we can get it monthly at $24 a month. We can pay for an entire year up front and just pay $17 a month. Or if we want it even cheaper, we can pay for 2 years. I'm going to go with yearly. That sounds fine to me. Continue to checkout. And then I'm sure I'll have to edit most of this out here. All right, now you can use your domain voucher to get 𝗬𝗪studios.com for free. Let's click get it. So we can do 1 year, as you see, because we got this 1 year for free. So we can do 1 year at $0. We can do 2 years and save a little bit of money. That's fine. We're just going to go with that 1 year free one and continue. There we go. Etc. Studios will soon be yours. Contact info. And continue. All right, and next we have a privacy and security thing. Ensure your traffic isn't redirected to malicious sites, secures your site visitors' personal data from hackers, helps protect against domain name hijacking. Who knows if all of this is necessary? Honestly, I have no idea, but for $13 a year, I'm just going to say yes, continue. We're going to use the same card and submit purchase. All right, 𝗬𝗪studios.com is yours and connected to Etc. Studios. Now you're ready to start designing your site. Go to domains, loading your dashboard. All right, so let's come over here to setup. And we're just going to come all the way down to design your website. This is just what we're doing for now. We can design a really nice website later. We're just trying to get a landing page going for now. So generate a design with AI. So generate design. I really like this. I feel like this looks pretty good right here. Let's continue with this design. Your site is ready to go live. So let's go to the editor here. And I'm just going to show you all how to do some really fast editing on this to make it what you need it to be. All right, so the very first thing we're going to do is we're just going to click on this. If you notice, as soon as I clicked on that, it built this box around it. Let's do quick edit. And once we go over to quick edit, we can come over here and just click on this title. It said inked masterpieces, and I want it to say Etc. Studios. Boom. So that's done. Now it says Etc. Studios. This is all the same here. Now I want to add her logo right here. So let's go to this add elements button. And we're going to add an image. And we're going to upload and import the image. Upload images. And we're going to upload from computer. There's her logo right there. It's uploading right now. And now we're going to add to page. We'll go ahead and take that off. And this is going to go up. See how we can just drag and drop this nice and easy? So we're going to drop that right about there. And then boom, there we go. Again, this is very basic. You can put all the time that you'd like to do into this, but anytime you want to add any elements, you can add over here and just start coming down. I mean, you can really do anything you want to do with all of this through the editor over there on the side. All right, and the last thing I want to show you real quick before we go is how to set up your email. And I'm not going to take you through the entire process, but I'll show you how to get there. And I want you to keep in mind the purpose of setting up your email with your domain name is so that you're a professional business and your email address is going to be your first name at yourdomainname.com, your first name at yourbusinessname.com, or social or admin at yourbusinessname.com. So the way to get there is to come down here to settings And I do want you to know you don't have to go through Google Workspaces for email. That's how this particular site is going to have you do it. There's lots of other options if you want to go find your own open options on the market. But you're going to click on the settings button down there, and then under settings, you're going to scroll down here to business email, and then you're going to click on that let's start button, and that's going to take you into Google Workspaces so you can start your own email address for this account. And that's what you're going to use to go get signed up for literally all of the next steps that we're going to do. So guys, I hope this was helpful. Just play around with Wix. It's really good at helping you figure out things. They also have really good customer service. Don't forget to use my link in the description to get there if you are going to go get there. And other than that, I love you guys. I hope you're out there killing it, and I'll see y'all on the next one.